Hey guys, welcome to another video with Mr. Goody, and what I'm going to be telling you guys about today is starting your very own YouTube channel and some of the steps that you should think about when you're very first starting. Okay, the first step that you should do is sign up for a free Gmail account. So you can use your smartphone, tablet, computer, whatever device you have that can go onto the internet and sign up for a free Gmail account. It's free, and you have to have it because Google and YouTube are pretty much the same. You see, Google owns YouTube, so you have to have a Gmail account. That's step one. Now, step two, what you want to do, you want to kind of decide, are you going to be doing YouTube as a hobby? Meaning kind of like a video diary or video log or a video blog, like a vlog? Or are you going to be trying to be entertaining and acting, and are you going to be doing this to make money, monetize to make a lot of money? So it depends on how serious you're going to be with YouTube and how you want to, how much effort you want to put into it. Step number 3 is choosing your content. So depending on how serious you want to be with YouTube, that's how you want to choose your content. So when I first started YouTube, I chose magnet fishing, and I had just chose only one topic. Well, in my personal situation, a lot more support and feedback and views and subscribers when I had more than one topic. So you may not want to limit yourself. With my channel, I haven't limited myself at all. Anything under the sun I can do a video about. So I'm always coming up with new ideas and new ways. Now, even though I chose, I want to do YouTube as a hobby, meaning that I'm not going to be trying to put out like studio quality videos or films, I still don't want it to look overly sloppy. I want it to look okay. So I wanted it to where you can expect videos from me, and frequently, and that it can be about any topic. So that opens any kind of content. I could be doing stunts, haunted places, a mass appeal to a different variety of spectrum of people. So that is what I've done. So when you're creating your channel, you want to think, what do you want your channel to be about? Who's going to be your audience? And what do you want to present to people? Okay. That has covered 3 steps, and in this video I'll be discussing 5 steps. You're going to want a channel name, or your username, user ID. It's called a lot of different things, but what it breaks down to, it's going to be the name of your channel, and you're going to kind of want it to represent you and the kind of content you do. Something catchy, kind of a catchy name, something kind of cool. You don't want it to be lame, and you want it to be unique, so no one else has come up with something new. And since the video, YouTube is so crowded, that's what people will attract to, is things that haven't been done before, things that are unique, things that are creative. You want to use the noodle up here, your brain. Just go into places that haven't been explored before with your creativity. So, in saying that, come up with a name. I came up with a lot of names at first, and then I narrowed it down to Mr. Goody. Some people think that's stupid, some people like it, but it's a little different. And you need to come up with one for your channel when you start it. Something unique and catchy and that people like, and something that you like as well. 4 steps. The fifth step, okay, now YouTube is something that's ever changing. You know, the rules are changing, the audience is changing, the subject matter is changing. So the hardware that you use is changing. You know, some cameras that were very expensive years ago, you know, are now, you know, a lot cheaper. So when I first started out YouTube, I started out with what I think everyone should. You know, your cell phone. Most smartphones these days have where you can record the video. I started with an iPhone 7, actually an iPhone 7 Plus, and for most of the things I did, I mean, that was good enough. I mean, even to this day, that would still be good enough in a lot of things. And then over time, eventually I knew I wanted to do a little bit better quality of videos. And just recently, then I went to a Vixia RF 800, which was good enough for a long time. That was my one step up. And then, most recently, I got a Panasonic LUMIX G7, and that's what I'm using now. So over time, you're going to learn how to put videos together better with different apps and different software. You're going to get better daily. Even if you're a shy person, you're going to learn how to open up and to be able to talk to the audience and to the camera. Things are going to start to become more natural, and it's going to be a flow. So always believe in yourself and know that you can do it. Because I'm a shy person myself, and I've been able to do it. And like I said, I think it's fun. It's a great hobby. And eventually, if you do get those requirements, right now, as of this recording, it's 1,000 subscribers and I think 4,000 hours of watch time, which, you know, I'm at well over 1,200 subscribers, and my watch time in minutes is like close to 500,000. So I don't know how many hours that is, but you know, I'm well over the hours. I've made my first paycheck on YouTube, which I will be doing a series about that altogether, about what it's like getting paid and behind the scenes of YouTube. But right now, I'm just trying to encourage people that have creativity and like charisma, and just want to, maybe you just want to do a hobby, you know, of how you can start up your very own YouTube channel. And I'll put a link below to some of the equipment I used. So starting out, you don't have to have a lot of money. You know, like I said, getting the Gmail account is free. Then you sign up with YouTube, which is free, and more than likely you can use your smartphone camera starting out, and you can use that for a long time. Some people kind of never grow out of that even, so it's definitely good enough to use. And you know, then maybe you can experiment with an action camera or a DSLR camera, but odds are you have everything you need right now to try out becoming a content creator on YouTube. And I believe you can do it. I believe in you. So if you have any other questions, you know, just feel free to comment in the comment section below. If you like my videos, subscribe to me and put on the notification bell. And if you don't mind, smash the like button. I still kind of like it when you guys do that. Anyways, I will put the description, like I said, into the hardware I talked about in the description box. That's the little arrow you point down, and it gives more information about the video. Until next time, guys, I'm going to sign off with, have a good day.